right, today we're going to bring a cabinet in. This is a great cabinet if you're going to lock things up. Pretty much all the tools are included, including the actual Phillips that you see on the floor. All this stuff is available. It's set to go. It came in one box. It's a heavy duty box. You might need two people to carry it in, but to set it up, you only need one person. So today we lined every piece here and we're going to start it up, and this is where I'm going to start placing all my tools in here and locking them up. So it's a great way to actually keep extra security of your equipment and your stuff. It doesn't only have to be tools, it could be pretty much anything. It does have a lock and key too. Let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. All right, let's take a look at the actual cabin I built from the ground up. So you got 3 of these shelves. You can move them anywhere you want. I haven't locked them in because I might change my mind about the actual locking them in. I like the top, heavy duty. They have these locks in place in here, and then a coat rack here, so you could hang your any shirts or sweaters or vest. If you're gonna put this in a project, you could lock in tools. You could lock in vests, equipment, pretty much a lot of things in here. I like it that it's secure. It's well built. It took me about probably an hour just to build it, and to close it, it has these, so you could lock in, and very simple, and then you lock it in. So from the ground up, it's heavy duty coming in here, and it's really tall. It's almost over 6 feet. Of course, it's taller than me, so I like it that it's tall. We're gonna load it with our tools. We're gonna keep it permanent here so we can secure our tools. All right, I just opened the cabin, unlocked it. You guys can see that from the ground up. Lock it up. All my tools, if you guys can see, I put all my tools in here, the heavy duty stuff. Some of the other screws and other tools too, helmets and hats, safety gear. It all goes in here. At the end of the day, I have more space on the top to add more boxes. It's large. It takes pretty good space. But at the end of the day, everything's secure in here. You got 2 spare keys. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.